Okay, my dear students. So, from the starting, my aim was to do something different from all are doing in this India or in this world. So, today I have started a series of PYQs in the form of flowcharts where you will enjoy the things and mind maps will make you to remember the things for longer time. So, I am explaining PYQs in terms of mind maps. You can just see the first question here. So if you see the first question, he is asking us to find out the dimensions of half epsilon naught E square. Actually, energy by volume is equal to half epsilon naught E square, okay, which is called as energy density. Okay, so this formula is present for energy density. So how can you find out energy density? Instead of writing the formula for these tough physical quantities like epsilon naught, electric field intensity, if you write the dimensional formula for energy by volume, then you will get an answer very easily. So energy, you know, energy is nothing but ml square t power minus 2 and volume is nothing but L cube here. So L square L cube gets cancelled. So finally energy density, that is energy by volume, you will be getting m, L goes to numerator, become L power minus 1 and t power minus 2. Okay, so therefore the correct option is going to be the second option, that is B option. Next here, what are the dimensions of mu naught epsilon naught power of 1 by 2? Actually, there is one formula in electromagnetic waves. The velocity of light is given by 1 by square root of mu naught epsilon naught. This is the formula actually. So we can write this as mu naught epsilon naught whole power of 1 by 2, and this can be taken as mu naught epsilon naught whole power of minus 1 by 2. So here this is the formula given in the problem. So instead of finding the dimensional formula for this tough physical quantity, it is easy to find out the dimensional formula for velocity of light, that is C. Velocity is nothing but Lt power minus 1. So directly this is going to be your answer, that is C option. Okay. Now, how to find out the dimensional formula for the third match the following list here? So gravitational constant. So what is the formula for gravitational constant? You know, for gravitational constant we write F is equal to G m1 m2 by r square. So we need to find out the dimensional formula for G. So G is equal to fr square by m1 m2. And you know, F is nothing but ml t power minus 2. Force means mass into acceleration, ml t power minus 2, and r square is nothing but length, radius means length, distance means length, so L square, and m1 m2 means you can take m square as a dimensional formula, so m square gets cancelled. So the dimensional formula for G is directly, this m goes to numerator, become m power minus 1 L cube t power minus 2, so therefore t power minus 2. So dimensional formula for gravitational constant is 2. Next, gravitational potential energy. So gravitational potential energy, the formula is G m1 m2 by r square. Sorry, G m1 m2 by r, that's it. So instead of finding the dimensional formula for G m1 m2 by r, you can find out the dimensional formula for potential energy. Energy means directly ml square t power minus 2 instead of doing the dimensional formula for G m1 m2 by r square. So therefore gravitational potential energy, the dimensional formula for gravitational potential is fourth option. So this is fourth one, first one is the second one. Next we need to find out the dimensional formula for gravitational potential GP. So what is the dimensional formula for gravitational potential? It is Gm by r, that's it, Gm by r. What is the meaning of that? Here in gravitational potential energy, G m1 m2 by r, here 1 m is less, that's it, 1 m is less. That means if you remove this m here, your answer will become L square t power minus 2 will be the dimensional formula for gravitational potential. Next, gravitational intensity. So gravitational intensity is nothing but Gm by r square. Okay, so what is the meaning of Gm by r square? Already Gm by r dimensional formula is ready. In the denominator, if you add one L in the denominator, because r square is there, here r is there. So L square t power minus 2 by 1 L extra than the above formula. So here L square L gets cancelled. Lt power minus 2 is going to be our dimensional formula. So gravitational potential is this one, whereas gravitational Okay, so gravitational potential means the first formula, and gravitational intensity means the third formula. Okay, that means your correct option is first one is 2, second one is 4. So that means A option is going to be correct answer. Next, thermal conductivity. What is the meaning of the concept of thermal conductivity actually? So thermal conductivity means if you take a rod here and heat it from below, here temperature is theta 1 and theta 2, length is L, area of cross section is A, coefficient of thermal conductivity is asking us to find out the dimension. So you all know for conductivity, power which is equal to rate of flow of heat energy, quantity of heat energy is equal to Ka theta 1 minus theta 2 by L. Okay, so you all know power or energy by time, it is measured in watts, so K, understand, and area is measured in meter square, and theta 1 minus theta 2 is measured in K. So I will take some other color so that you will understand nicely. Okay, so power is taken in watts. Okay, power means energy by time is watts. K, for which we have to find out the dimension. A means area, that means length into length, that is m square. Theta 1 minus theta means Kelvin. K is the dimensional formula for that. L means it is measured in meters. Okay, so mm gets cancelled. So we need to find out the coefficient of thermal conductivity K. We need to take W as watts and send this K to that side and also this m to that side. So therefore we will be getting m power minus 1 K power minus 1 is going to be dimensional formula for coefficient of thermal conductivity. So even here for temperature also the dimension is K only, which is in Kelvin, and coefficient of thermal conductivity is also given with K letter. So anyhow, so we're getting the formula K is equal to W m power minus 1 K power minus 1. So that is D option is going to be our correct answer. Hope you have enjoyed the flow chart of previous year.